Hello, what's up guys? Marcet here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can fix if ever you have a copyright claim on your video due to having a background or a music background that is being copyrighted. So I'm gonna do this video or this tutorial on my mobile phone, and I'm gonna be using Taglish. To those of you who cannot understand Taglish, I also have a tutorial with the same topic when I was speaking in English. Okay, so you may want to watch that one. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So to do that, on your screen, using any browser, pwedeng Safari, Mozilla, Firefox, Chrome, or whatever it is. With my tutorial, I'm gonna be using Chrome. So i-open na natin yung browser natin. So I'm gonna be opening Chrome. And then I'm just gonna be typing youtube.com. I mean YouTube Studio rather. YouTube Studio. Ayan. So ito na, youtubestudio.com or studio.youtube.com, that is. And then if you can see right here, I'm already signed in to my account. So naka-sign in na po ako sa account ko. So yan lang yung gagawin nyo is naka-sign in kayo sa account nyo. Tapos punta kayo dun sa channel dashboard nyo. So, once you are signed in, punta ka sa channel dashboard and then click nyo lang itong icon na to. Lakihan ko lang yung screen ko. Ito, this one means content. Ito yung may parang play button. So, content. I-click natin yan. And then, makikita nyo dito, mayroon siyang mga videos natin. Say, uploads, live, post. Tapos dito, filter. So, para mas madali sa atin at hindi na tayo ipa-scroll down and up para maghanap ng video natin na may copyright claim, ang gawin natin is lagyan natin ng filter. So, i-click natin itong filter. Ayan. And then, pagkikita nyo dito, mayroong age restriction, copyright claims, description made for kids, and etc. So, copyright claims yung hinanap natin. So, that means we are going to tap on copyright claims. Ayan. Tapos, lalabas na yung videos na may copyright claim. So, ayan. Ito yung nadalawa sa akin. Pero yung fix ko is ito, the first one. This one, this video is not published yet. It's unlisted. So, ang gagawin ko is, punta lang ako dito sa bandang. So, ayan siya. Mapapansin nyo, ayan, sharing, restrictions, copyright claim. Ayan. So, i-click lang natin to. Tapos, yung copyright claim. So, pwede rin naman yung video itself. I-click natin. Tapos, we click or tap on see details. Tapos, dito nakikita yung summary at yung details kung bakit tayo nagkaroon ng copyright claim. So, ayan. If makikita nyo, sabi dito na, ayan, copyright owner's policy or blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so, yan yung copyright claim natin. So, ang gagawin natin is, so, this is the portion here na mayroong copyright claim. So, ang gagawin natin is, i-click natin to or i-tap natin tong select action. And then, we have an options there kung anong gagawin natin. Whether trim out segment, replace song, or mute the song. And also, you have an option to dispute. But we are not going to do a dispute. Okay? So, ang gagawin ko dito is replace song. I'm not going to mute the song. I'm not going to trim out the segment. Otherwise, it would affect on my content. Maybe if it's an LS or live stream video, you can do that. But with this one, it's an uploaded video. So, whatever I uploaded there, yun na yun siya. So, ang gagawin ko na lang is replace song. So, click ko tong replace song. Ayan. So, yan siya. Tapos, lalabas na yung library ng mga songs sa audio library na pwede natin pagpilian. So, para mas madali sa atin, alamin natin kung ano yung rhythm ng song na papalitan natin. Siyempre, yung ipapalit natin is more or less yung same rhythm, same beat, something like that. Diba? So, to make it easier, tingnan natin. Hindi ko na, alam ko na kasi kung anong klaseng music yung na-copyright ako. So, here, I'm just going to filter the kind of music that I want. So, I'm gonna go for the mood is, no, I'm not gonna do the mood, but you can do that as well. I'm just gonna click on the genre. Ayan. Genre. And then I want ambient. Either ambient or, ba't ayaw niya? I want ambient or cinematic. Why is that working? Saglit lang ha. Ayaw niya. Saglit lang. Genre. Apply. Dapat apply. Ba't ayaw niya? It's strange. Ayan. What's happening there? So, genre, ambient. I'm not sure why it's not working, guys. Anyway, what I'm going to do, because I can't do the search here. I mean, I can't do the filter here with this thing. So, ang gagawin ko is I'm going to search on the title of the track. Okay, so I know what kind of music I want to replace. So I'm just gonna put away here since that's the title, the music that I want. Ayan, eto siya. Yan, play lang natin. Okay, ito na. Mahina lang pala. So i-add na natin. Adjust the position and length. So same lang. Ayan. Okay, close lang natin. And then we're gonna check out later yung video natin after ma-process siya. So if makikita ninyo, this one, it's processing in here. So ito yung video na chine-change natin yung background music. So let's just wait for that to get processed. So that's the thing, if you have a video with a copyright claim, huwag nyo siya basta-bastang i-delete kasi guys, you can still edit it. For example, publish na siya. Mayroon na kayong views, mayroon na kayong watch hours na naipon doon. Huwag nyo siya i-delete agad kasi you can still fix it inside the YouTube studio. Okay? So, yan lang po yung dapat natin gagawin once mayroon tayong copyright claim sa video natin. That's the process on how you are going to go about if mayroon kayong copyright claim sa inyong mga YouTube videos. So I hope you learned something from this video. Please like this video if you like this one. Share this with your fellow YouTuber friends. Comment down below if you have any request on a certain video that you want me to make. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet.